All right, hello. Welcome back to another trading session with me, Swanzik. And today we are trading CPI for gold versus US dollar. So that's gonna be fun. And as you can see, I am back to trading view. That's because I see markets now offering uh, trading view as the tradable platform. So you see if this is gonna go down here or not. And I already have my trade set up. As you can see, I am biased for sale at the moment, but at this time it can go anyway. uh, just a quick look, there's a big liquidity pool up here, so it could go up, and a few of the liquidity pools down here as well. 200 EMAs to here, 800 EMAs here. This is for 5 minutes, so once again, it can go either way. All right, I'll stop talking now. It's 30-second each to the news release. Wish me luck. Or not. No. Anyway. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, looks like we're going up. Nope, we're going down. And definitely all the way down here. So สวยไหมสวยไหมสวยไหมสวยไหมสวนสวนประมาณนี้ประมาณนี้ประมาณนี้ประมาณนี้ Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oop. Alright. And selling it right back down at 3%. Take profit at the same range, 150. 150. Go. Mm-hmm. Fifteen minutes. 15 minutes. Why not? Alright, cool. Alright, that's not too bad. I play both positions. That's just a new thing I got. Uh-huh. 1,200 now. I don't need to go any more than that. This is good enough. Cool. Alright. I'm just gonna monitor this until the end. But so far so good. Okay. Alright. Wow. Okay, this is starting from here. Good thing I didn't experience any slippage this time. So I guess the exchange is still good for me. IC Markets, shout out to IC Markets. It's my my broker of choice. This is 1300. Very nice. Ooh, and even more. Very nice. Alright, nope, I'm not gonna fall more. This is only 3 minutes. Could go even further than this, but that's okay. I'm just gonna write my reports now because finally I got something good. And last one. Short win and retrace as well as TP. Great S. My God! Finally, something that actually went as I planned. Wow! Finally. Nope. This is only 5 minutes, right? And we are stepping into the 6 minutes. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, there is overall green. So we went short. The price moved down as expected. But this time, I also utilize a new strategy from my mentor. Yes, I have a mentor, which is to go long once the price started to hit the initial U-turn. The move that took me a small gain. After that, after that, I closed the position, the long position, and open a short. Setting a target setting the target at the end. No, I'm just gonna leave that blank. After that, I close the long position and open a short, making another gain. All right, cool, and done. Let's take a look. Wow. Okay, still within the range. If I were still in the trade, I would have, oh wow, that's 1,550. So this is actually 1,500 points. Not bad at all. And this is only what, 11 seconds, 11 minutes. Cool. Oh wow, it's went even further than that. My god, CPI is really powerful. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna paint that as a win. Voila. And CPI. This one is 4 times already. Very nice. Oh, wow. It just kept going. 1,800. Nope. I am still prioritizing my, protecting my capital. Oh my god, the last time I lost like $350 on my stupidity. That's gonna haunt me. That's okay. We learn our lesson. Sort of, kind of. Sure, the market responded better. The price was down. Oh, okay. Went back right to. Oh my, very nice, very nice indeed. All right. Back right to. Wow, very wow. Oh, hey, it's actually went downward. I'm not making any sense now. I need sleep, people. I need adequate sleep. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna leave it at that. We proved that the trading system is still working. The new strategy can be adopted and working quite well actually. I was able to make the profit both ways. That's always nice. Okay. We trade again tomorrow. What news do we looking at? We're looking at CPIYY for Great Britain pounds for the pounds, and then that's pretty much it. 2 p.m. I guess I'll be at the office early tomorrow. Yeah, I'm trading at the office. All right. I'll waste your time no more. Until tomorrow. Bye.